Mrs. Farmer, if you will, talk me through the process, and let's talk about our recipe. And this is what I like in my marinara sauce.
Right.
We'll give you our ingredients, top secret.
That's right.
And then we'll let you, if you like to follow that. Again, I'm still on a fennel kick, so there's
That's
some of
right.
that.
All right, well, we started with 10 pounds of tomatoes that we got from Mac, because we didn't even have that.
Thank
That's
you,
a
Mac.
lot of tomatoes from Mac, that's right. And I went ahead and did the normal process like we do these, where you just kind of get the skins off and get them all ready. I chopped them up for you because you wanted them chopped up. Then we put half an onion, which I chopped up very small, threw
is
that on
yellow
top.
sweet onion.
That's right. And we took half of a shallot, which we also chopped up. And we put 4 garlic cloves, which I crushed, into there. We took 4 tablespoons of basil,
Dry basil.
dry basil, 2.5 tablespoons of fennel,
This was ground fennel.
1 tablespoon of oregano, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. And we did
And-
throw a pinch of salt,
Just a pinch.
just a half a teaspoon of salt. We got all that together, and we actually let that boil for 2 hours. And we kind of stirred it, and it actually reduced down.
And the smell in the house.
Oh, it was so good. Reduced down. Then I put those into our jars, which we have here, and it was like 30. Well, actually, we did some small also. So it was 35 minutes for the pint, and it's 40 minutes for the quart. And we got some tomatoes, and so we got some marinara.
Oh, and
That
we got them
easy.
sitting in the garage, and we got them sitting everywhere. So
That's right.
The other day, she's like looking at me. She says, "What can we have for lunch?"
Something quick.
And we're thinking, you get tired of the same
Right.
old thing over and over. We've got that marinara sauce, so we basically just took that, and we put a little bit of Parmesan cheese, melted that in, a little bit of cream.
It made it all.
It was almost like a vodka pasta without
was
the vodka.
delicious, and just-
we put that over some, what was it?
the penne noodles.
Yes. And
10
just
minutes,
a
we had lunch. That
and
was
just
right.
a little bit more cheese
Right.
on top of that, and we had us a fantastic lunch.
These are precious, let me tell you.
Oh,
Very precious.
and we got them marked on top.
That's right.
A lot of times when you do can, you don't want to get a false seal, so you can take these outside, take this part off. We always put our dates on here. You want to take this off so we don't get any false seals for storage. And again, you have something very precious there that you can turn around in a short amount of time.